friends, welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie. Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making Reindeer Chow. But first we're going to be reading a book called Last Stop on the Reindeer Express by Maudie Powell Tuck and illustrated by Carl James Mountford.
Which we have.
It is our book. It's a good book. Mia flew out of the school, eyes shining. Mom, I made a card. I'm sending it to Grandpa for Christmas. It's wonderful. He will love it, said Mom. But Christmas is nearly here. I'm afraid it won't reach him in time. Mia sighed. She wished Grandpa wasn't so far away. The Christmas market was busy with shoppers. Mia smelled cinnamon, sugar, and smoky wood. But without Grandpa, everything felt less bright, less Christmassy. Angrily, she kicked a stone. It skittered past the stalls and hit a mysterious mailbox. There was no letter slot, just a door and the words, "Turn knob 3 times to send parcel." Mia's stomach fluttered. Something magical was about to happen. She twisted the knob, 1, 2, 3. Can you open this little door? What? What is that? And stepped into a strange and wonderful room. A map covered the wall and Christmas decorations tumbled from the ceiling. Welcome to the Reindeer Express, beamed a cheerful lady. She passed Mia a carrot and pointed to a door. Take this through there, Mia. Hurry! Open the door. What's on the other side? Mia's boots creaked on the hard, cold snow. Wow, she breathed. There, snuffling quietly, was a magnificent reindeer. He trotted over and nibbled at the carrot. Carefully, Mia climbed onto the reindeer's back, and the two set off, galloping faster and faster, until... whoosh! Up into the air they flew. We're taking my card to Grandpa, aren't we? Laughed Mia, and the reindeer's ears twitched happily in reply. They soared over a twinkling sea. I'm flying, Mia sang to the fishies. A parade of boats bobbed in a harbor below them. Hello, Mia called. Look, a flying reindeer, shouted a little boy. Come and join us, yelled another. I'm sorry, said Mia. I can't stop. It's almost Christmas. And the reindeer rushed on, his hooves beating the air, fur rippling in the wind. Would you think it'd be fun to ride on a reindeer?
It would be scary because I'm afraid of heights.
Oh, but maybe a little fun? Yeah. Soon it grew warmer and they flew over a beautiful old city. Paper stars lit up every street. Mia had never seen such an exciting place. She wished she could explore it. I'll come back one day, she promised a cat on a moonlit rooftop. But I must see my grandpa first. It's almost Christmas. They sped on over cold mountains. Mia buried her hands in the reindeer's fur. Tucked in her pocket, the card for Grandpa was safe and dry. Then, at last, they landed by a small cabin. Mia climbed down. Why have we stopped here? She asked, a little disappointed. But the reindeer nudged her forward, and Mia saw someone very special indeed. Who is it?
Her grandpa.
Grandpa, she cried. He smelled like cinnamon, sugar, and smoky wood. He smelled just like Christmas. I made you a card, said Mia. I came on a flying reindeer. And even though she was happy, tears rolled down her cheeks. The reindeer's outside peeking in, huh? Grandpa hugged Mia close. It's wonderful. Thank you, my brave, thoughtful girl. Mia told Grandpa all about her adventure. I wanted the card to remind you of me this Christmas. Oh, Mia, sighed Grandpa, how could I ever forget you? I'll be thinking of you every second of the day. Even when you're eating turkey? Yes, laughed Grandpa, and wearing a silly Christmas sweater. A little while later, the reindeer knocked his antlers gently on the door. I think he wants to take you home, said Grandpa. Mom would be lonely without me, Mia said, and she kissed her grandpa goodbye. You want to open the card? It says,
Together we are. To Grandpa, we are always close, never
even
when we're far away. Love, May.
Mia.
Mia. XO.
Good job. Mia climbed back onto the reindeer. Up above, the bells jingled. The winter sky was full of children flying past. All at once, Mia knew there were other families just like hers, families that couldn't be together at Christmas. Thank you, she whispered, hugging the reindeer tight. When Mia stepped out of the mailbox, go ahead. No time had passed at all. Mom, Mia called, reaching out for her hand. I had the best adventure. Christmas with Mom felt just right. They played games and had turkey with all the trimmings. When Mia opened Grandpa's present, she laughed out loud. A reindeer, she cried, hugging it close. Grandpa knew just what I wanted. The end.
I like the compass.
The compass is cool, yeah. All right, friends, now that we've read our story, we're going to go through our ingredients and our supplies to make reindeer chow. First, we'll do our ingredients that you should have received in your bag that you picked up from New Lenox Public Library. First, we've got a bag of Chex cereal. It's a mix of rice Chex and corn Chex. And then we have a cube of almond bark.
I thought it was chocolate.
It is. And then we have a bag of pretzels. A bag of marshmallows. A bag of sprinkles. A bag of red and green M&Ms. And a bag of powdered sugar. Nice. All right, and now for your supplies, you're going to need at least one microwave safe bowl, and then an additional bowl, a spoon, a piece of parchment paper or aluminum foil, and an extra bowl for the very end to put it all in. All right, friends, we're all ready to start making our reindeer chow. First, you're going to start with with one of your bowls, and you're going to add the Chex cereal to the bowl. Put it in. And then we're going to add our pretzels and our marshmallows. Are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too. Good job.
I want even bars.
Once you have your pretzels, Chex cereal, and marshmallows in your bowl, go ahead and put your bar of almond bark in your microwave safe bowl. You're going to want to microwave it for a minute and then take it out, stir it really well, and then microwave it again for 30 seconds. Take it out, stir it really well, and you should have it melted just like this. Once it's melted, nice, we're gonna pour it out of the bowl onto our mixture. Try and get what you can out of there.
I know why there's red. But it would look like, I know why it's called Reindeer Chow, because you're going to use red M&Ms for Rudolph's nose.
That's smart. Once you get your melted almond bark into your mixture, you're going to want to make sure you mix it up really good and get it all nice and coated. You want to try to mix?
That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
And that's almond bark. Is it chocolate?
Yeah, it's like chocolate. It melts really nice. Then we're going to take our parchment paper, lay it out flat, as flat as you can get it, and dump our whole mixture onto the parchment paper. And kind of an even layer if you can get it even. Once it's on there, you can kind of spread it out a little. Spread it out. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to take our M&Ms and dump those on top. You might want to pick them out of the bag and then just kind of sprinkle them on. That's okay. And then also our sprinkles go on top of that. Whoa! Uh-oh. That got a little messy.
Yeah.
All right.
Mugsies are vacuum.
Now we've got our mixture all set up here. We're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and we'll come back and enjoy. Alright friends, it's been about 15 minutes and our mixture is hardened up pretty good. So we're ready to now put our mixture in our bag of powdered sugar. We want to break up the mixture into smaller pieces. Can you help me with this?
It looks so good.
Not really small, just smaller. And then we're just going to put them in the bag.
I will put them in the bag.
You'll see. What, bro? Last piece. Good job. We're going to close the bag nice and tight and then shake it. Shake it good. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Get that sugar all over there. All right. Ooh, that looks good. Now we're going to open the bag and dump our mixture into a bowl.
Oh, my, that looks good.
And you should have something that looks like this. Are you ready to try it? Doesn't it look yummy? You ready? All right, you get a piece. Cheers.
I'm going to be eating this all night long.
It's good, huh? Mm-mm. So, friends, that's how you make reindeer chow. And Ellie and I hope that you have a very happy holiday. And we'll see you in the new year. Bye, friends.
And subscribe.